everyone. This is the long jump for the bears, like Electro, the bear, and this is Angela, the cat, and it's for everyone. So let's put the long jump. Let's start with Electro. Let's go. This is great news because let's look over there. Let's see who wins. 1, 2, 3. I am the dashing fool that Electrode had made. I'm the naughtiest bear ever, and I'm not good at long jump. Woohoo! Oops. I am the cutest cat that I have ever seen. And this is the thing that we go to our computer. Wow! Everyone push Angela! Oh no! It didn't get the record. Oh no, Stu. Bailey, later we'll put you up. Oh no, maybe he'll get the record. Oh, maybe BJ will get the record again. Oh no. Push Tutu. Push. Oh no. Oh no, Lucy did get the record. Get it! Get these two! Fall in the hole! Get these two! Oh no. Let's see. Let's put this. So, let's see who's the line. Oh, Hung got hit here, and Sherry's tail got here, and BJ's hand just got here. That's why BJ didn't get here. Didn't win. So, Sherry, we have 2 winners. So, Sherry and Hung win. So, when I say, then you need to tidy up all of our friends into the box over there. So, let's go. So we all get together, the assistants and the teachers will get all together to the box. And only 1 subscriber to like this video. Please subscribe and like us and share these thumbs up, and you can get some surprises! So, you can come to my house on.com. So, my email is meowong001@gmail.com, and another one is meowong002@yahoo.com. So, I am going to say bye-bye, and remember, type not the password, just my username. So, you can find it in the email box. So, you can find me on the email box. So, bye-bye. Like and subscribe and